Now we're going to begin lifting our legs one at a time. So I'll show you how it's done. I'm sorry, Pragya will show you how it's done. Let's get into down dog. Press the elbows down, lift your hip up. Feet together. So generally in downward dog, your feet are a hip distance apart. But as you're going to start lifting the legs up, it's very good to sort of keep your feet together. Now, again, it's okay if the heels don't touch down. You can also lift your heels all the way up, making sure that the sit bone is pointing up. So you see, you're trying to push the stomach closer to the thighs and the shoulders back. Otherwise, what happens is, again, when you lift your legs, you start to come forward. So the space between the front and the back sides of the body is too much, and that's not a very good thing to do, because then there's too much weight here and very little weight on the abdomen. So you're pushing back, away from the hands, so hip goes up, feet together, heels completely lifted if possible. You see how the hip starts to move upward then, and now slowly inhale, raise your right leg up. Now imagine somebody is holding the leg up there, right? So imagine somebody is holding the leg up there and pulling it back. Toe pointing up, completely lift up. Let the weight move away from the hands, up to the legs as much as possible. Exhale and drop the right foot down. And now inhale, left foot up. As high as you can, toes pointing up. Keep pushing away from the shoulders. Now the other thing that happens is that the hip starts to open. Don't let that happen. Keep the hips closed and lift. Exhale down. Let's do it a couple more times on each leg. Inhale, right leg. Up, 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 up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg. Exhale down. Now if this is very easy for you, then you can add a little bit more fun to this. So inhale, raise your right leg up. Now exhale, bring the right knee to the right elbow. The first video that we did, inhale, lift it up again. Exhale, drop your foot down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, forward. Knee to the elbow. Inhale, up again. Exhale, down. Now drop your knees down. Sit back. You can put your knees apart and sit back and drop your head down and relax. Make sure that you take enough downtime between each of the asanas and each of the warm-ups that you do, because you don't want your breath going all over the place. We don't want to lose awareness of which parts of the body that we are using to do this. Alright, for the next part of this video, come up to a standing position. Feet together or just slightly apart. Now inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Drop your hands next to the feet if you can, or slightly ahead of you. So Pragya will show you how it is with your hands slightly ahead. Keep making sure that there isn't much weight on the hands. Your hands don't start to feel the weight, and you do that by pushing the hip back, right? Now inhale, raise your right leg up. Up, 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 up. Keep pushing the hip back, keep lifting the leg up, toes pointing up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Now here, if you feel like there's too much stretch happening in the back side of your leg, you can bend your standing knee, but keep the lifted knee straight. Up as much as you can. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg up. Toe pointing up. You can bend the standing knee. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Keep lifting the weight away from the hands, pushing it backward as much as possible. Exhale, down. Now slowly bend your knees, put your hands on the hip. Lift your chest and come up. Feet apart, hands by the sides, and relax. Take some time.